Today, we will take a deep look at the repair process of indoor LED modules. First, the technician will light up the LED screen and visually inspect the damaged lamp beads one by one. Once the faulty lamp beads are found, the technician will mark them with label stickers to ensure that all problem points are accurately recorded. After the marking is completed, with the advantage of the front maintenance design, the damaged module can be easily removed with a special suction cup tool without disassembling the entire screen, which greatly saves time and labor costs. Next, the repair work officially begins, and the technician will prepare tools such as flux, hot air gun, and tweezers. First, use a hot air gun to heat and dissolve the solder joints of the damaged lamp beads, and then carefully remove the old lamp beads with tweezers. Next, immerse the new lamp beads in flux to ensure a stronger welding effect. Then put the new lamp beads accurately in the corresponding position of the module, and use the hot air gun to heat and fix them again to ensure that the lamp beads are perfectly connected to the circuit board. Finally, the technician reinstalls the repaired module on the screen body and performs a functional test through the detection button on the control card to ensure that the lamp beads work properly and the screen display effect is restored to new. The entire maintenance process is efficient and accurate, demonstrating the convenience of the LED screen maintenance design and the professional ability of the technicians.